This is a tentacle puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to put all the parts back inside the frame. As you could see, the puzzle comes pre-assembled, pre-solved. That means that you have to remove the parts from the frame and then put them back inside, which will be quite a challenge since, as you can see, all the parts, they look very similar. They have this crazy shape that look like tentacles and you have to feed them into the frame, and it seems like there is endless ways of putting parts inside of the frame, but if you put at least one of the parts in a wrong spot, you will end up with something like this. The parts fit nicely, but then there is a gap between them. That means that you won't be able to fit some other parts somewhere inside of the frame. So it will be quite a challenge to figure out the way how to put all parts back inside. If you like the Tentakeln puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So we will start with probably this piece and put it right here. So put the frame in such a way that there are like two pointy ends here, so that they will be facing towards you. Then what we have to do next, we have to grab this piece probably and put it right in here. As you can see, it fits nicely. There are no gaps between the parts. Then this crazy piece, I guess it goes right in here, fits nicely as well. Then this piece will go down here. Again, all the parts fit nicely. There are no gaps between them. This piece will be the next one to put inside, but probably not in here. Wait a sec. There are, maybe I already made a mistake somewhere, or maybe no, I don't. Oh no, actually no mistakes. This piece goes right here in the middle. Now we have only two parts left. One of them goes in here, and the last piece will be this one, and it fits here nicely, and that is the solution of the Tentakeln puzzle. Quite a difficult one. I solved it a couple of times, so I know exact spot for each and every piece, and still it wasn't that easy for me to remember where each piece goes. So it will be quite a challenge for you, especially if you solve it first time. If you like the Tentakeln puzzle or you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca.